Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming eligibility and saving time. Log into the Google Ads account with billing active and no policy strikes. Once done, find the promo code in your welcome email, partner portal, or offer card. Copy it exactly. You need to note expiration and any minimum spend thresholds before applying so you won't lose credits. Make sure payment method is set. Credits often require a valid billing profile. This first step prevents errors and gets you ready to redeem immediately. Now apply the promo code in billing promotions and confirm the credit appears. Once applied, allocate it to specific campaigns or a shared budget so the system spends credits first. This controls where free spend happens. Adjust start and end dates and choose delivery method. Standard pacing prevents early burn. Also set daily caps and conversion targets to measure impact. You should create a campaign with clear KPIs so credits demonstrate value rather than dispersing across irrelevant. Finish by monitoring performance closely. Check the promo balance, impressions, clicks, and CPA daily so you know if credits are being used as intended. If an ad underperforms, pause it and reallocate credit to higher converting creatives. This maximizes ROI. If credits don't appear or vanish unexpectedly, verify promo status in billing, confirm billing activation, and open a support ticket with screenshots. One quick troubleshooting tip. Clear cache and recheck the promotions page. Sometimes the UI needs a fresh session to show updates.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.